Hello, my name's Josiah, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Alfredo. To make chicken Alfredo, you're going to need some pasta, some nutmeg, heavy cream, some Parmesan, chicken breast, and last but not least, some butter. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get water boiling, and while the water's boiling, get out your chicken and cut it into thin strips. Now that the chicken's all cut, go ahead and add it to a pan with olive oil and salt and pepper. Go ahead and add your noodles into it. And now that the chicken's done cooking, go ahead and add it on a plate and save it for later. And now it's time to make the sauce. In the same pan, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. Then, once the butter's finished melting, go ahead and whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream and nutmeg and bring it to a simmer. Then add in 1 cup of Parmesan and whisk it. Now once the sauce is at a simmer, go ahead and add your noodles into it. Once the noodles are added, go ahead and add in the chicken from before and mix it together. Once everything's all mixed and thickened up, go ahead and plate it up. And that's how you make chicken Alfredo. My name's Josiah Sandoval. And,